we're just gonna walk you through some of the recent updates that we've released. So the first one is the board/Kanban view for tasks. So you're already familiar with this, probably from using like project management system. We used to have a board view for projects or accounts, whatever you call them, but now inside a project you can also view your tasks in this beautiful board with sections. So this is something that we released a week ago, and as you can see, there is a way to make some tasks visible to the client. So as long as you start with the project or the account and then create the workspace for the client to collaborate with them, you will get this little eye icon that will make it clear to you if something is visible or not to the client, and you can just click here to make it visible to the client. Now, if you set it up so that on the client side, they also get a board view, which you can do simply by heading to Settings, Client Portal, and by clicking here and selecting Board View. So now we have this project or account as our back office, and on the client side, they can, if you enable this, of course, instead of having this simple to-do list, they will get this beautiful board with all the tasks that you've made visible to them. So you can see that they can view all the tasks, only those that I've made visible to them. You can use also tags to highlight any piece of information. Here I've created one tag to show that something is in progress. You can either structure this by like topic, the sections. They can be like topics, or it can be simply stages like to do, waiting for clients, in progress, done, things like that. The second major update is the release of our new Zapier integration. So with Zapier, basically you will be able to automate virtually anything and connect Hubflo to almost any software out there. So the way it works is we've made a complete video that we're gonna attach, but essentially you have all these triggers that you can use, like new contact created, new invoice issued, new task created by client, etc. So for example, you could set it up so that when a new task is created by client, you get an email, you get a notification in Slack or whatever. And then you have actions. So in actions, you can basically do all that. So you can add a section, for example, to your project with some tasks. You can create a task, create a workspace for the client, invite the client also automatically. So you could set it up, for example, so that when someone submits a form, it will automatically create the project, the contact, set up the client portal workspace, and invite them. All that done automatically through Zapier.